Number 6. Cause a sensation. It means to create an intense interest or excitement.
Her new book caused a sensation. Her new book caused a sensation. The movie caused a sensation last summer. The movie caused a sensation last summer. His invention will cause a sensation. His invention will cause a sensation.
Number 7. Cause damage. It means to create harm or destruction.
The storm caused a lot of damage. The storm caused a lot of damage. Earthquakes can cause damage to buildings. Earthquakes can cause damage to buildings. Careless driving can cause damage to cars. Careless driving can cause damage to cars.
Number 8. Change money. It means to exchange one type of currency for another.
We need to change money before our trip. We need to change money before our trip. You can change money at the airport. You can change money at the airport. She changed money to pay in euros. She changed money to pay in euros.
Number 9. Change the baby. It means to replace a baby's dirty diaper with a clean one.
It's your turn to change the baby. It's your turn to change the baby. She changed the baby before leaving. She changed the baby before leaving. He learned how to change the baby quickly. He learned how to change the baby quickly.
Number 10. Change your clothes. It means to put on a different set of clothes.
Change your clothes, they are dirty. Change your clothes, they are dirty. She changed her clothes after the party. She changed her clothes after the party. Please change your clothes before dinner. Please change your clothes before dinner.